Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to Army Public School online sport program round 2. This is me, Miss Sandas Jabin, and it is your physics tutorial. We will talk about chapter number 4 today, named as turning effect of forces, and our today's topics are principle of movements, center of mass, and the last one is center of gravity. Now move on towards about first topic, that is principle of movement. मतलब क्या है इसका? मूवमेंट का असूल कि कोई बॉडी मूव करती है तो वो किस असूल के तहत मूव करेगी. अ बॉडी इनिशियली एट रेस्ट does not rotate if sum of all the clockwise movement acting on it is balanced by the sum of all the anti-clockwise movement acting on it. क्या मतलब है इसका? इसमें ये बता रहे हैं कि एक बॉडी रेस्ट पे रहेगी, रोटेट नहीं करेगी जब तक क्लॉकवाइज मूवमेंट और एंटी क्लॉकवाइज मूवमेंट उसकी बैलेंस नहीं हो जाती, इक्वल नहीं हो जाती. A body is balanced if the sum of clockwise movement acting on the body is equal to the sum of anti-clockwise movement acting on it. In this definition, you have seen two terminologies, clockwise movement and anti-clockwise movement. Where you have seen clockwise movement, you have seen clockwise movement while tightening a nut. Whereas for loosen a nut, the force that is applied on the nut is in the anti-clockwise direction. Now move on towards our next topic, that is center of mass. सेंटर ऑफ मैस मतलब वो पॉइंट जहाँ पे पूरी बॉडी का मैस सेंटर्ड करता हो, मतलब पूरी बॉडी का जो मैस की अमाउंट जहाँ से इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होगी, वो पॉइंट आपके पास सेंटर ऑफ मैस कहलाएगा. और उस पॉइंट के अकॉर्डिंगली आपके पास बॉडी मूव करेगी विदाउट रोटेशन. A point where an applied force causes a system to move without rotation is known as center of mass. Look at the picture in which you have seen the center of mass of this X is near the end of the X, not on the stick but at the end of the X that is suspended from a wooden block or wooden rod. Now move on towards our next topic, that is center of gravity. Center of gravity basically आपके पास क्या होगा? The point at which the whole weight of the body may be assumed to be concentrated. A body having only one center of gravity for all the positions of body. सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी बेसिकली वो पॉइंट होता है जहाँ पे आपके पास होल वेट ऑफ अ बॉडी कंसंट्रेट करेगा. होल वेट ऑफ अ बॉडी को जहाँ से आप फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो, वो पॉइंट आपके पास सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी कहलाएगा. अ पॉइंट वेयर द whole weight of the body appears to act vertically downward is known as center of gravity. Look at the picture in which you have seen two children are sitting on a seesaw and it is balanced, and at their center of gravity will be at the middle of the edge. Now there is a point, how can you find the center of gravity of different objects? There are two types of object over there, symmetrical or regular, and the second one are irregular object. To find the center of gravity of symmetrical or regular object, you can find out by middle point on its axis. We can draw the middle point on all the axes of that object, and then at the intersecting point we can find out their center of gravity. Look at the picture. You have seen here that there is a block, cylinder, triangle, rectangle, or a box. Now, if we want to find out the center of gravity of all these objects, we can draw their central point on its axis, and after drawing their central point or a middle point on its axis, we can intersect all these points, and the points of intersection will be considered as the point of center of gravity. Now, center of gravity for irregular shaped lamina. If we find out the center of gravity of irregular shaped lamina, you can use plumb line. For example, if we find out the center of gravity of irregular shaped cardboard, then how can you find it out? We can find it out through plumb line. Before starting this experiment, take a cardboard, make some points just like A, B and C on the cardboard and put holes over there. Now, pin a plumb line over these points and drawing their axis over there on all the points from A, B and C. While drawing all the axes of that point A, B and C, intersect all these points. The point where all the points intersect only is known as the center of gravity of that irregular shaped cardboard or lamina. That's all from my side, students. Now note down your home task. If you have any query, you can ask me on your query time. Thanks.